Yes, students, good morning, all of you. So, first we will discuss yesterday's NEET paper, NEET question paper. Are you ready with paper, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. Are you ready with question papers? Yesterday, I observed your question paper.
Yes, sir.
Ready, sir.
Okay. Right. So, here. So, question number. Question number 136, students. Which are the following are the most abundant cell of human blood? Monocytes, neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils.
Neutrophils.
Neutrophils.
Most abundant cell. So, in most abundant cell related to WBC, those are neutrophils. How much percentage, students?
60 to 65.
60 to 65%.
65%. Right. Next question number 137. The main difference in the blood and lymph is. So, what is the major difference between blood and lymph, students?
Absence of RBC.
So, absence of RBC, absence of WBC given, and number of WBC is less than 4, less in blood, and none of them. So, lymph do not consist in RBC. Lymph RBC are absent, right? Absence of RBC, correct answer. Mark the R1. Monocytes, neutrophils, erythrocytes, and lymphocytes. Yes, students, monocytes.
Erythrocytes.
Erythrocytes.
Remaining all the cells are types of
WBC.
WBC. And erythrocytes are blood corpuscles, red blood cells. Which are the following which are the following blood cells help in blood coagulation? RBC, lymphocytes, thrombocytes, and basophils.
Thrombocytes.
Thrombocytes are also called
Platelets.
platelets are helpful in the process of blood coagulation. Right. Next one. Question number 140. ABO blood grouping provides a good example of codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple alleles, and both 1 and 3. ABO blood grouping provides a good example of
Both 1 and 3.
Both 1 and 3. Sir.
multiple alleles and both 1 and 3.
Both 1 and 3.
Both 1 and 3.
It is related to genetics question actually. There is codominance. So alleles means what, students? Alleles.
Types.
Alleles means alternative form of genes are called alleles. Okay. So here the gene I has 3 different, means blood groups are determined by 3 different alleles: IA, IB, and I. These are 3 different alleles. So that only it is called multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. IA, IB, and I. Okay. Next one. Why it is called codominance? Because of AB blood group persons consist with IA and IB also. IA and IB, 2 different alleles, but showing AB. It's not showing A group, it's not showing B group. It's showing AB blood group. Is it clear or not? So that only it is called codominance. In genetics, we will discuss, right, students? So it is the example for codominance also and multiple alleles also. Next one. A child of O group blood group has B blood group father. The genotype of father will be. The child of O blood group has B blood group father. The genotype father will be. So here what happens to this? A blood group means IA allele or IA allele. B blood group means IB, IBABN or IBIABN, right? Next one, AB blood group, AB blood group, IA, IB, and O blood group, I and I. O blood group do not have any type of the specialized antigen, right? Now, what asked information given in the question? A child of O blood group has. So, what is child blood group, students?
O.
Child blood group is O. Right. Child of O blood group has B group father. The genotype father will be B group father. So, father blood group is what, students? Father blood group. Father blood group is Z. B. Child blood group is O. Right. Now, in this case, the father blood group is B and child blood group is O. Child blood group means what are the genotypes? Small I and small I and I. Is it clear or not? So, father blood group, in case father genotype is IB is there, is it possible for O child?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Not possible. Why? Because the child one I get from mother and one I get from father. Is it clear or not? One from mother, one from father. So father should be I. Father should be I means which combination? This combination or this combination? This combination. Is it clear or not? So that only IB and I. Clear, students? So father blood group genotype is B blood group only. Combination is IB and I. Both IB not possible because of child is O blood. Okay, students? We'll discuss in genetics. No need to worry. So whatever explanation you want, just you can write down the explanation, right? Next one. Question number 142. Completed, student, this one?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 142. Compared to those of humans, the erythrocytes in frog are very much smaller.
Nucleated without hemoglobin.
Without hemoglobin. Nucleated without hemoglobin. Without nucleus but with hemoglobin. Nucleated with hemoglobin. What is the answer, students?
Nucleated without hemoglobin.
The RBC of a frog and humans. What is the major difference? Humans enucleated. Nucleus is absent. So what about frog? Nucleus also presented, and what is presented? Hemoglobin also present. Nucleated and with hemoglobin. Next one. Question number 143, students. Which of the following is true about erythroblastosis fetalis? This could
All of the
cause
above, sir.
All of you.
and this could cause jaundice, and this could be fatal to the fetus, and all the above. It causes fatal cases also, death cases also to the fetus. All the above. What is the answer, students?
All of you.
Yes. So severe anemia also, and jaundice, and as well as fatal cases also takes place to the persons. To fetus, not for mother. That point important. Right. Next one. Next question. Question number. Next question number, students.
144, sir.
144. Right. Erythroblastosis fetalis can be avoided by administrating of what?
Anti-RH antibodies.
Antibodies. At what time? First time or second time delivery of the baby?
First time.
First time, sir.
First time. To whom? Fetus or mother?
Mother.
Mother, sir.
Mother.
Antibodies to the mothers at the time of the first time. The inducing of administrating is possible, is required because of in subsequent pregnancies the child should not get erythroblastosis fetalis. Next question number 145. RH negative person donated blood to RH positive person for second time. Then what happens? RH negative person donated blood to RH positive person for the second time. Then
Nothing will happen to this person.
Nothing will happen, sir.
yes, students, what happens?
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
We already discussed RH positive persons are able to receive from
Both
blood
Both negative and positive.
positive.
RH negative also. Right, students? So whenever RH positive persons receives RH negative, then nothing will happen. What is the reason? Because already they have antigen B. So whenever RH negative persons are receiving, donating their blood means there is no change. Is it clear? But blood group compatibility is important. In case blood group is mismatched, then something happens to whom? Donor or receiver, students?
Receiver.
Receiver. Right. Next question.
Receiver.
Question number 146. Conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin is catalyzed by, in the presence of what?
Thrombin.
Inactive fibrinogen converted into active fibrin in the presence of thrombin. How thrombin is formed, students?
From prothrombin.
From prothrombin.
Prothrombin.
Active prothrombin converted into active thrombin in the presence of
Thrombinokinase.
thrombokinase. So thrombokinase is activated by
Joint factor.
joint pathway or common pathway. Right. Okay. So these are all what? These are all related to. These steps are related to what, students?
Blood clot.
Coagulation of blood.
Right. Which are the following? Next question. Which are the following number is increased during allergy? Eosinophils, macrophages, neutrophils, and lymphocytes.
Eosinophils.
Eosinophils. It's called eosinophilia. Right? The increasing number of eosinophils. Next question number 148. A man with a blood group A, man is woman with blood group B. What are the possible blood groups of their offsprings? A with B. Man with
A, B, AB, and O.
very good. So we already discussed
A,
what
B,
are
A, B, and O.
A alleles are IAIA, IAI, B alleles IBIB, IBI genotypes, and AB, IAIB, and O IAI. A means what? IA, IB. B means IB, IB. What is another chance? IAI and IB, I. So from father A, mother B, maybe. From father A and mother I. So A and I means A blood group. Right, students? From father I and from mother B. So BI. BI means B blood group. And from father I, mother also I. I and I means which blood group? O blood group.
O.
A also possible, B also possible, AB also possible, O also possible. 4 blood groups also. Is it clear, students? Determination of child blood groups, determination of parent blood groups according to the chain, determination of child blood groups according to the parent blood groups also possible. Okay, students, that we will discuss in genetics. Right. So answer is A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. All of this correct. Next question number 149. Lymph consists of RBC, WBC, and blood plasma, RBC proteins and platelets, all components of blood except RBC, thrombocytes and plasma, some proteins, and WBC and serum. Yes, students, what is the answer?
Option C.
Option 3, sir. Option C. All components.
Lymph. Right. Next one. A, B, and O blood groups are discovered by who discovered A, B, O blood group, students?
Landsteiner.
Taylor.
Lunch.
R. Landsteiner.
Landsteiner. Right. Next one. The genotype of blood group AB is blood group AB genotype what students? Now we discussed IA
IIB.
and IA and
IAIB.
IA and I. Next one. Arrange the human blood group alleles according to their dominance. IA, IB dominant on IO. So IA is dominant, IB also dominant on IO. IA, IB are equal.
Okay, sir.
Equal to IB. Dominant on what?
IO.
IO.
IO is the resistance.
Sir, IA and IB are co-dominant, sir.
Both the
Co-dominant, sir. IA and IB.
IB co-dominant. Yes, IB co-dominant. So IB I also presented. For example, IB I presented. B only expressed. What is the reason? Because of it is dominant. And IA I is presented. A only expressed because of A is dominant. I is recessive. Okay, students. Right, next one. After examining blood groups of a young couple, the doctor advised them not to have more than one child. The couple blood groups are likely to be
RH positive and RH negative.
why doctor said students?
Because erythroblastosis may take.
Erythroblastosis fetalis.
Erythroblastosis fetalis occurs in what case? Only one case. What is the scenario?
RH positive father.
RH positive father and RH negative mother.
In case mismatch of mother and child blood. Mother is RH negative, child is RH positive. So father also obviously RH positive. So RH positive father and RH negative mother. So male is RH positive, female is RH negative. Option students.
Fourth option.
Option number 4. Right. If father is and mother both are homozygous, how many RH positive children will be survived with a RH positive condition?
Sir, what is homozygous, sir?
So if father and mother both are homozygous, how many RH positive children will be survived with RH condition?
One, sir.
So there is nothing mentioned about RH factors of father and mother, no?
Yes. Here, homozygous, heterozygous, two conditions are there. Homozygous means both are same. Heterozygous means different. Homo means say what meaning? Homo means same. Hetero means different. Right, students? Here, what given? If father and mother is both are homozygous, how many RH positive children will be survived with RH positive condition only? Here what happens? Nothing effect takes place to whom? To children. Because of what? Both are also homozygous and both are also RH positive only. Both
Yes.
mother and father. No mismatch. Whenever no mismatch, is there any chance for erythroblastosis fetalis?
No, sir.
No, sir.
4.
Yes. Next.
Sir, in key answer they given 2. Yes, sir.
What given?
Option 2. They given.
Option 2. 2. No,
Yes, sir.
wrong. Actually, what happens in this case? There is no mismatch. There is no mismatch. There is not occurs erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay. Okay, we'll change it. No need to worry. Next.
Homozygous factors, RH factor only homozygous, that is not mentioned, no, sir, in the question.
Not mentioned. There is no mismatching. Whenever there is no mismatching, not occurs. In case mismatching they mentioned, then only occurs. Is it clear or not? Mismatching of RH groups only with incompatibility. Erythroblastosis fetalis. In case all are matching. So what is the reason? Nothing. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Okay, Tanisha. Next one. Child death except first may occur if the marriage of what condition, students? Same condition. What is that?
RH positive father and RH negative mother.
That is RH positive person and
RH negative mother.
right. Only one condition. Right. Next one. Persons with blood group O are universal donors because they have
No antigen and
No
RBC.
antigen on RBCs.
No antigen and RBCs.
which group students?
Blood group O.
Blood group O. Blood group O. What type of antigens are presented in blood group O?
No antigen, sir.
Antigens are nil. Right. What about antibodies?
Both A and B.
AB.
AB.
Both A and B antibodies are presented. Right. So O blood groups do not have any type of no antigens on surface of RBC. Next one. Which one has no role in blood coagulation? Fibrinogen, calcium, vitamin K, and vitamin D.
Vitamin D, sir.
Vitamin D.
Already fibrinogen is required, calcium also required, and vitamin K also required for the process of blood coagulation. Vitamin D is not required for the process of blood coagulation. So what are the factors? Inactive factors are going to be converted into active factors with the help of vitamin K and calcium also. Next one. The correct pathway of initiation and passing route of the conduction of impulse.
150 is there. We have missed
150.
8, sir. 150.
Okay, right. Sinoatrial node is present here. SAN present where students? What is the location of
Right
SAN?
atrium.
Atrium.
Which region?
Upper right side.
Upper right side.
Right upper. Good. SAN. So what is pacemaker in the heart?
SAN.
Sinoatrial node.
SAN. Why it is called pacemaker? What's the reason?
Origin of impulse.
Because of action potential is initiated from the SAN. So that it is called pacemaker. Right. Next question number 159. The correct pathway of initiation and passing route of conduction of impulse. From where action potential initiation takes place, students? Which region?
From sinoatrial node.
Sinoatrial node, sir.
Train to passes to avian.
AVN. AV.
AV bundle.
AV bundle to
Purkinje fibers.
AV bundle and Purkinje fibers. The specialized muscle fibers that spread over the walls of the ventricles are called
Purkinje fibers.
Purkinje fibers distributed throughout the ventricles until the apex region of the heart also. Next, the mitral wall of the heart allows. Where the mitral wall is present, students? Between
Left atrium and left ventricle.
left auricle and left ventricle. Left side means which blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Oxygenated.
Oxygenated blood. Where to where? Auricle to ventricle or ventricle to auricle?
Auricle to ventricle.
Auricle to ventricle.
So what is the answer, students?
Second option, sir. Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood to leave the left atrium and enters into left ventricle. Right. Next one. Identify the correct statement from the following. SAN is located in the upper right corner of the right atrium. Is it correct statements? The statement is
correct.
Correct, sir.
right. Next one. AVN is located in the lower right corner of the right atrium.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong, sir.
AVN, lower right corner of the right atrium. Right or left?
Left, sir. Left corner.
Next, pulmonary arc arises from the left anterior angle of the left ventricle. Pulmonary aorta. Pulmonary aorta arises from where, students? Left anterior angle of the left ventricle. Is it correct? Yes, students? Wrong, that is also right. Because of what? The left ventricle what carries? Left ventricle consists with which blood, students?
Oxygenated blood.
Oxidized blood. So pulmonary means what? Deoxygenated. So that's not. Next, columnar carni project from the inner walls of ventricles.
Sir, column means
Ventricles or auricles? Ventricles only. So what is answer? First statement correct? Last statement correct. Option number
3.
third option. Right. Next, SAN is called pacemaker. Good. And right atrioventricular aperture and interatrial septum and interventricular septum.
Tricuspid valves.
Right atrioventricular aperture, students. Tricuspid valve, right? Next one, interatrial septum and interventricular septum.
Fossa ovalis.
Interventricular septum, bundle office, and interatrial septum, what? Fossa ovalis. Fossa ovalis means, so whenever at the time of formation of the heart, so complete first 4 chambers formation is not takes place. First auricles, ventricles formation, how it is takes place? By the development of the septa. Is it clear? By the development of the septa between auricles, development of the septa between ventricles. Whenever it is developing in that region, the small hole means the septa formation is takes place from upper and lower region between auricles. So there is fossa ovalis is presented between the auricles. So for some persons, that is completely not closed. The septa formation is not takes place. It's nothing but heart hole. By birth, the persons which are having a congenital heart disease, that is called heart hole. Heart hole means what? The muscles of the heart not get whole. There is a space between 2 auricles. That is called fossa ovalis. Is it clear or not, students?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. What is option?
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, A2. Pacemaker, right? B3, tricuspid valve. C1, fossa ovalis, and D5, bundle office. Yes. Next one. Question number 164. A bundle of nodal fibers which continues from the avian and passes through the atrioventricular septa to emerge on the top of the interventricular septum is called AV bundle. Atrioventricular bundle, AV bundle, which is presented on interventricular septum. Where interventricular septum is presented, students? Between interventricular septum is presented between what, students?
Between right ventricle and left ventricle.
Between both ventricles, right ventricle and left ventricles. Next question. What is the duration of one cardiac cycle in man when the heart beats 75 times per minute?
0.83 seconds.
0.83 seconds.
0.83 seconds. Right? So what is the cardiac cycle time? That is 0.8 seconds on average. Which of the following sequence is true about systemic circulation pathway? Systemic circulation pathway means what, students? Circulation between heart and lungs or heart and body parts?
Heart and body parts.
Heart and body parts. Right. So first option, left ventricle, aorta, arteries, tissues, veins, and right atrium. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Left ventricles to the oxygenated blood enters into systemic aorta. Systemic aorta to arteries. Arteries to tissues. And tissues to veins. Veins carries deoxygenated blood and opens into right atrium. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, option number 1 correct. Clear, students, all of you? Question number 166.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Next one. 70% of ventricular filling of human heart occurs during
Joint diastolic phase.
joint
Joint
diastole.
diastole, sir. Joint diastole.
So 70% occurs during joint diastole. 30% occurs
Arterial systole.
atrial systole or auricle systole. Right. Next one. Question number 168. Find the matching pair. Lub, sharp closure of the AV valves. Dub, sudden opening. Pulsation of radial artery valves and blood vessels. Initiation of heartbeat and Purkinje fibers. So first option given, lub, sharp closure of AV valves. How's first heart sound produces, students? Lub. How lub produces? By the closing of
AV valves. Closure of AV valves.
closure of AV valves. AV valves means
Tri and bicuspid.
Tricuspid and bicuspid valves.
right. So lub sound produces in which type of cardiac cycle? Which stage? In which stage of cardiac cycle lub is produced?
Ventricular systole.
During ventricle systole. Good. Right, next one. Question number 168, 169. Which is correct about joint diastole? Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are open. In joint diastole, tri and bicuspid valves are open or closed, students?
Open.
Open, sir.
Open.
Why both are open? What's the reason?
To pass the
Transfer
blood.
70% of blood to ventricle.
Because of ventricular filling. Right. Next. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. Is it
No,
clear?
No, sir. Wrong, sir.
That no, wrong. Next one. Semilunar valves are open.
No, sir.
No, sir. Wrong,
No,
sir.
sir. They are closed.
Because the pressure decreases, semilunar valves are open. That's wrong. Semilunar valves are closed. Is it correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct,
Both
sir.
valves are closed.
A and D.
A and D, sir.
and B. Yes. Option.
Option number 3.
Option third, right. Lub sound produced by heart is caused by
Ventricle systole.
lub sound. At the time of ventricle systole, both AV valves are closed, so that lub sound produces.
Lub, sir.
Right. Next one. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per each heartbeat is called.
Stroke volume.
In one heartbeat, how much volume of the blood distributes from the ventricle is called a stroke volume. What's the value of stroke volume, students?
5040 ml.
70 ml, sir.
Stroke volume. Stroke volume
70
is
ml.
70 ml. Right. So what is cardiac output, students?
The blood passes to body parts.
The volume of blood pumped per minute.
The volume of blood distributes from the ventricle in
1
one
minute.
heartbeat or per minute.
Per minute.
Per minute, sir.
Per minute.
What is cardiac output, students? Value.
5040 ml.
5040.
5 liter.
5040
5
ml.
liters, sir.
5 liters. Good. Next question number 172. The tri and bicuspid valves are closed due to increased pressure only in left ventricle, increased pressure only in right ventricle, decreased pressure in both ventricles, increased
Increased pressure in both ventricles.
Increase in pressure in both.
Increase in pressure in both ventricles.
In both ventricles, pressure is increases, then valves are closed, so the blood cannot further moves into auricles, prevention of return flow of the blood. Right. Next question number 173, students. The atrial systole increases the flow of blood into ventricles by about
30%.
30%.
30%.
By the atrial systole, 30% increases and dividing the 70% by joint diastole.
That's
Next question, student, is question number 174. The relationship among cardiac output, heart rate, and stroke volume is expressed as
Cardiac output is equal
Cardiac
to
output is equal to stroke volume into
heartbeats per
heartbeat
minute.
per minute.
Cardiac output equals to stroke volume into heart rate per minute. Right. What's the value of stroke volume?
17.
Yes, students, what's the value of stroke volume?
70 ml.
17.
Heart rate per minute, average?
72.
72 beats.
Question number 175. Full form of A in the diagram. Yes, students, what is A?
Cyanoauricular node.
A is SAN,
Cyanoauricular.
auricular node or cyanoatrial node. SAN.
So two options are same, sir.
Which one? Cyanoatrial node and cyanoatrial node given. Same options given. Right. Sinus atrial node wrong. In NCERT, what given?
Cyanoatrial
Cyanoatrial.
node.
Cyanoatrial node. Right. Next question number 176, students. Mammals are said to have a double circulation. This means, why it is called double circulation? What is the reason?
The blood is passed 2 times.
2 times. 2 times. And
times.
2 circulatory pathways are there. What are 2 circulatory pathways, students?
Pulmonary circulation and systemic
Pulmonary
circulation.
circulation, systemic circulation.
Pulmonary and systemic circulations. Okay. So what are pulmonary and systemic circulations? Pulmonary circulation means heart to
Heart to lungs.
Heart to lungs, sir.
systemic circulation, heart to.
Heart to body
All
parts.
body parts.
So here that the blood vessels are paired. There are 2 types of blood vessels and there are 2 types of circulation, one from heart to lungs and back to the heart. And what is the answer, students? Option number 3rd. Right, students? And other 2 end from the rest of the body. Right? So what is option for question number 176?
Option 3, sir. C.
Option number 3rd. Right. Next, which of the following option represents the correct blood flow pathway in pulmonary circulation? Right ventricle through pulmonary artery, the lungs receives from right ventricle through pulmonary artery, and from the lungs through pulmonary vein, right atrium is received. Is it correct, students?
No, sir.
No, right. Left ventricle, from left ventricle through aorta, all the body parts receives. From the body parts through vena cava, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood. Is it clear, correct?
No, sir.
Is it wrong? Option 2 wrong. From the left ventricle, aorta. From the left ventricle, aorta. Next, body parts. Next part given. Right atrium given. Right atrium. Here what given? Vena
Vena
cava.
cava.
Is it correct or not, students? This one? This route is correct or not?
Wrong, sir.
Why wrong?
Because they are asking pulmonary circulation, no, sir. From right ventricle to lungs, then lungs to left atrium.
Which of the following option represents the correct blood pathway of pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary circulation means heart to lungs, right? So right ventricle to pulmonary vein to lung, and from there pulmonary artery to enters into lungs. Is it correct? Wrong. That is also. Next one. Right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lung, pulmonary vein, left atrium. Is it correct? Fourth option. First what given?
Correct, sir.
Next,
Correct, sir.
next what given?
Lungs, sir. From
Next,
pulmonary artery.
next left atrium.
Atrium.
Right. Here what given, students?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery. Right. Here what given?
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary vein. Right. So this is pulmonary circulation. This indicates pulmonary circulation. Correct. Next question. So same question which was given in a respiration chapter, question number 178, students. So what is A?
Terminal bronchiole.
Terminal bronchiole, right? B? Respiratory
Respiratory
bronchiole.
bronchiole.
C?
Alveolar duct.
D? Atrium.
Atrium.
E?
Alveoli.
Right. Next one. Question number 179. In the below following diagram, do the labeling. What is A, students? A.
Trachea.
Trachea.
B.
Lungs,
Lungs,
sir.
sir. B lung.
Lungs.
C.
Pleural cavity.
Pleural cavity. D.
Diaphragm.
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 Right. Next question. Study the following circulatory pathway and choose the correct answer from the describes it correctly. Deoxygenated blood. Heart receives deoxygenated blood from the tissues, and the heart, from the heart, deoxygenated blood distributes to gills, and in the gills, deoxygenated blood converted into oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood again distributes to tissues. So heart here receiving how many times, students, blood? One time or two times?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times. Right. So such type of the circulation is single. 2 times is heart receiving blood how many times? Heart
1 time, sir.
1 time, sir. 1 time, sir.
Right. So such type of circulation is called
Single circulation, branchial circulation.
single circulation branchial heart. Why
Venous
is it called branchial heart, students? What is the reason? Why it is
Respiratory
called?
gills
Venous
for
throat.
oxygen.
Sir, because the blood is
Gills.
mixed, sir.
From the heart, the blood distributes to gills, so that it is called branchial circulation. Branchial heart. Alright. So this is single circulation. In which type of organism, students? Single circulation.
Fishes.
Spices.
How many chambered heart, students? 2 or 3 or 4? 2 chambered heart. Right. Open circulatory system. Ventral hearts in arthropods given. Is it correct? Wrong. Single circulation, branchial heart in fishes. Is it correct or not? Correct option or
Correct,
not?
sir. Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Single circulation, branchial heart in the fishes. So, the fish's heart is called branchial heart. Along with that, the fish's heart is called another name also.
Venous heart.
Why fish's heart is called venous heart, students? What is the reason?
Only deoxygenated blood passes through the heart.
Yes, heart receives only DOB, deoxygenated blood. So that only fish's heart is called venous heart. Okay, single circulation, Pisces. Okay, students, how many persons got out of order? Some of the questions given from genetics related, so that only. Okay, 1 question wrong. Nobody. 2 questions. 3 questions wrong. 4 questions wrong, students. How many? 2 only. How many? 2 wrong. Murali Swami. Okay. Brahmara 2 wrong. Tanisha 2 questions wrong. Right. Which questions wrong? Genetics questions only. Yes, Tanisha, which questions wrong?
So 142 and 163. Sir.
What's 142 question?
That frog related, sir. I thought it does not contain hemoglobin.
It does not contain hemoglobin. If hemoglobin not there, how frog blood color is red? We discussed it also. Already
Yes.
earlier we discussed.
Yeah,
Next
but
question.
it got cut. So 163.
What is the question, Tanisha?
So 163.
What is the question?
So the master following, sir, Forza ovalis. So that I was not
Okay.
knowing.
So that one. Okay, right. Brahmara, which questions are wrong then?
So 137.
What is the question, ma'am?
Sir, a person A marries to a person B, then the blood group. So I thought A, B and AB only. That's right.
Okay, right. Next.
So 148.
What is the question? Yes, students. Yes, Brahmara. What is the
The
question?
main
140?
difference between RBC and WBC.
Okay. That one wrong.
Yes, sir.
Why, Brahmara? That question wrong?
Simple question wrong, sir. I don't know what happened.
Simple question, simply wrong. You don't know. Who will know? Murali Swami, 154, 164 questions. Give the paper once. Please. Okay. Right, students, are you maintaining error book or not? All the people are maintaining error book? Error
Yes, sir.
book?
Yes, sir.
After commencement of colleges, from first day onwards, first examination onwards, I will check all the errors. Complete all the purpose should be how many errors you done, how many mistakes you done in weekend examination. With explanation I want. Simple question and answers not required. It is unhealthy practice. With explanation you need to write. Okay? And next week you have a cumulative examination on whole syllabus, both subjective and objective also. Okay, students, prepare well. Animal kingdom and structural organization in animals. Next, 3 chapters of human physiology: digestion, respiration, and circulation. Chapter 16, 17, and 18. Is it clear, students?
Yes,
When,
sir.
so when is the
Yes.
when is the exam? Sir?
Exam, everything will be posted in your groups. Okay. They will
Approximately it tells, sir. So Saturday or Sunday?
approximately next week. They told maybe they will update in groups today itself.
Sir, marks how much, sir?
Yes, sir.
720 NEET.
It's a subjective.
Subjective, sir.
Objective, sir.
Objective, sir.
As per PU, 70 marks.
70 marks.
Right, students? Is there any doubt still?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.